and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we are going to see an overview of what we will learn in Google Ads, for what Google Ads is used for, and why we are running ads from Google Ads, right? So here you can see that we have got 593k impressions in 13.8k views, and it cost us 19.2k rupees, right? So first ad, let me show you the example. There are two kinds of ads, like here in Google. If you write shopping, right, like shoes for sale, then here you see here ads are coming in Google search. Like this is a ad shown by Google Ads because it's inside the Google search. These are product ads showing by Google Merchant Center inside the Google search. And then we have another option of ads here available, like in YouTube. If you go to YouTube and you write cards for sale, then here okay, let me search another thing, shoes for sale. Okay, you see here, you can see this one is an example of ads showing inside the YouTube through Google Ads, right? So this was videos ads, like text ads inside YouTube, and one was ads inside the Google. And also here, let me show you that if you are going to Google and you are writing something like iPhone for sale, so here you see there are a few examples, like iPhone 11. Now you can also write something like e-commerce services. So you'll see ads on this e-commerce services here inside the Google. Basically we're looking for some ads feeds showing by Google here. So nobody has placed ad on this keyword. Let's search for this keyword. Website services agency. So here all the ads you saw inside the Google search is basically the purpose of this Google Ads here. Like if you are in the Google Ads and you are making a campaign, either you can get your customers through Google search by in sales campaign objective, or you can get leads on your agency website, you can get traffic on your website, or you can get product and brand consideration. So here you see we have brand awareness and reach, and if you want to promote your app through Google Ads, you can promote from this objective, or you can also get local store visits and promotions through Google Ads. And you can also create a campaign without a goal or guidance, right? And then from here you can put the ads in search. It will be showing that, like these yellow options are showing your ads inside Google search, like inside different devices, displaying sites and as a shopping inside the Google search. and then as a video, as an app install, and then smart reach business goals like Google will place automatically anywhere, and then locals like locations ads, and then discovery on YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and more. So this was the key features why we are using Google Ads. Like as you can see, if you have enough budget, you can promote your services right from the beginning and get your customers caught at the spot with Google Ads. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.